Hey folks, greetings. Today we're going to take a look at the data and power transfer cord from the folks at Rolling Square. So let's get started. Today we're looking at the inCharge X data and power transfer cord. It's a nifty little design. As you can see here, we have it hanging from a keychain. You could attach it to your purse, your briefcase, your backpack, whatever you use in your normal day-to-day travels. To use the unit, simply pop off the top, set that aside. You're left with the actual unit itself. It's held together with a magnetic clip. Simply separate that. Now you have the cord itself. On one end, you have your typical iPhone attachment. You also have a USB-C. The other side has a standard USB as well as a second USB-C. The cord itself is nice and sturdy. It's got a 200 wire braided cable inside, surrounded by some really nice sturdy TPU materials to keep it in place. Rolling Square tells us that the actual unit itself is intended to last for a minimum of 15,000 bends, so we should get a nice long life out of that unit. Now, when you're using it on your devices, simply attach it like you would any other cord. One note, if you're using it on a flat surface, make sure that this adjustable unit is facing upwards. Otherwise, you're going to have a hard time using it on a flat surface. Now, you can use it with your favorite portable hard drive, a phone, and then we're going to attach it to our AirPod case. You can see the little orange light has come on, so data and or power is in fact transferring at this point. Now, when you're done, just simply dismantle it, take it out, put the unit back together as such. If you want, put it back, clip it back together on your keychain, your backpack, whatever. Make sure you've got the right set of ends going into the cap, and now you're ready to go. You've used the new inCharge X data and power transfer cord. Overall, it's a great little unit. The only thing I have a little bit of hesitation with is the cap itself. Back in the days of the Apple Pencil, when they had caps, I was constantly losing those. I can see myself losing this cap if I'm not careful. Hopefully in the near future, inCharge X will figure out a way to actually connect that cap to the cable so that chances of losing it are minimal. Take care and thanks for watching.